An invisible structural transformation is quietly rewriting the foundational rules of global commerce, and the traditional economic matrix is about to become entirely obsolete. Most people assume artificial intelligence is merely a tool designed to accelerate human productivity. But the operational reality running behind the scenes is infinitely more disruptive. We are witnessing the birth of a sovereign autonomous digital economy where intelligent systems execute multi-layered corporate workflows without human intervention. Watch until the absolute end because we are decoding the infrastructure of the new agentic marketplace. That big tech is spending hundreds of billions to control. For decades, the global digital economy operated under a simple structural balance. Human intelligence created underlying economic value, while software applications served as passive operational instruments. Humans initiated commands, processed transactions, and adjusted organizational strategies. Today, that fundamental relationship is undergoing a historic mutation. A new generation of frontier AI is shifting rapidly from passive assistance to autonomous execution, capable of managing entire multi platform operational pipelines with absolute minimal human oversight. These intelligent agents can cross reference market data, compile comprehensive analytical briefs, evaluate product supply chains, negotiate transaction margins, and program localized microservices entirely on their own. This paradigm shift represents a microeconomic transition far larger than a standard technological transition. It signals the rise of an economy where digital systems are active value generating economic units, while the early iterations of artificial intelligence focused entirely on localized tasks like automated drafting or basic script generation. Modern enterprise infrastructures are deploying autonomous networks capable of end to end operational execution. These specialized systems monitor global corporate communication channels, triage systemic priorities, execute contract schedules, and synchronize real-world databases across disconnected networks automatically, fundamentally decoupling commercial scaling from physical human headcount. The structural scaling laws of this new economy mean that small, hyper-optimized core teams can now wield the operational output of legacy multinational corporations. A lean venture operating with under 20 core strategists can utilize autonomous digital workers to handle the heavy computational lifting of global documentation, localized market testing, and real-time operational optimization. This transition filters human labor away from repetitive cognitive tasks and forces it directly into high-level organizational strategy, systemic design, and structural innovation. Consequently, global capital expenditure is shifting heavily into localized infrastructure As sovereign superpowers begin treating computational capacity and raw data center density as critical national infrastructure. The most fascinating element of this autonomous ecosystem is the emergence of intelligent economic collaboration. In the hyper-connected layout, specialized digital entities do not operate in isolation. They actively negotiate, transact, and trade value with one another. One system aggregates real-time market risk and other algorithmically balances asset allocations. A third coordinates logistics, contracts, and a final node presents the optimized commercial output for human verification. This integrated network, known as the agent economy, marks the transition of software into a proactive market force capable of independent decision making, shifting global competition toward the integration of advanced human expertise with relentless digital scale. This structural transformation completely resets global business operations, but as millions of autonomous decisions occur every second, the ultimate cliffhanger is how global regulatory frameworks will enforce accountability when an agent makes a catastrophic multi-million-dollar error. Our next highly anticipated documentary is dropping next, exposing Elon Musk's covert financial master plan to launch an independent XAI satellite network designed to host these autonomous agents outside to government control. You absolutely cannot afford to miss this next deep dive. Smash that like button right now. Hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and deploy this video to your entire network immediately. Drop your analytical answers in the comments below. Would you trust an AI agent to completely manage your finances? Welcome to the absolute frontier of the AI revolution. Join our elite journey.